Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to zoom in in CapCut to make highlight like this. Now zoom in and then zoom out again like this in CapCut. Actually, it's really easy. I have example clip here. This is my own clip, and then I want to highlight, for instance, on this section from 2.6 2 minutes 6 second until 15 seconds here. I want to zoom in on this area. What you have to do, you slice on the first marking you want. You just click this. Where is the slice? Here the slice, the split, I mean split, or you can press Ctrl B and then put another on your timeline on the second point. This is you just press another press on your keyboard Ctrl B, and then as you can see now I already separated into 3 videos like this. 3 videos. Actually it's really easy. What you have to do, you just press on the middle here and then you just adjust, resize the clip like this. Now I'm highlighting this content on particular context like this, and then let's see the result. I think is it too long? 9 seconds, it's too long. Commonly maybe 5 seconds or 3 to 5 seconds to highlighting something. You must zoom in into your video. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it is, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Bye bye.